Hey guys, got an unboxing video today. Been a while, not been on for a while. Chose an absolutely freezing day to do it, but we've got some car stuff. This thing. So let's get it unboxed. Very excited, I've had this a while, but the car died, it broke on me, and I had to fix it. But we're good. So we have the Italian box. Uses manual, and the Italian box tuning chip with app. So let's have a look-see. Oh man, that's actually really nice. That is well made. Look at that. That looks beautiful. I can mount that somewhere. And we get cable, goes to the box, goes from the fuel pressure sensor into the box. Should be interesting. So that's what we have. We have the Italian box, made in Italy, and it's going to be fitted to a Volvo S40 2.0D. So that's going to be interesting. So stick around, have a nosy. We'll do a fitting video and see what it's like to actually use. Peace out.